Sit. The boy sits under the tree. Ride. The girl rides a bike every day. Travel. We love to travel and explore new places. Teach. He teaches English at the local school. Eat. We eat dinner together as a family every night. Talk. We talk on the phone every evening. Cook. They cook dinner together on weekends. Sleep. After a long day, he sleeps deeply. Play. The children play in the park every afternoon. Read. I love to read novels before going to bed. Write. He writes poetry in his spare time. Study. She studies hard for her exams. Solve. She solved the math problem quickly. Draw. The boy draws the fruit he likes. Paint. She painted a beautiful landscape on the canvas. Listen. She listened attentively during the lecture. Think. He thinks deeply before making decisions. Walk. They walk their dog in the park every morning. Run. She likes to run every morning before work. Jump. The cat jumped onto the table to catch the mouse. Swim. We plan to swim in the ocean this summer. Smile. The boy smiles every morning. Cry. She cried when she heard the sad news. Laugh. He laughed at the comedian's jokes. Sing. She sings beautifully in the choir. Dance. They danced all night at the wedding party. Drive. He drives carefully on icy roads. Learn. Children learn the story from their mother. Fly. The birds fly south for the winter. Climb. We plan to climb the mountain next summer. Push. Workers push tools. Pull. The kids pull the rope. Build. They built a sandcastle on the beach. Trot. They love to trot every morning. Tickle. She's tickling her friend. Explore. They explore the forest on weekends. Discover. They discovered a hidden treasure in the attic. Bury. The boy buries the treasure. Search. The boy searches for information. Gather. Friends get together. Dig. Workers dig holes. Hug. Friends hug each other. Look. They are looking at something. Float. Floats on water.